Another important quantity of vector differentiation is curl. Curl of a vector function, it is defined as mathematically del cross f bar. Del cross f bar means I bar cross dou f bar by dou x plus j bar cross dou f bar by dou y plus k bar cross dou f bar by dou z. Curl is written in an abbreviated form as CURL, the word curl followed by f bar. When f bar is equal to or written as f1 I bar plus f2 j bar plus f3 k bar, then curl f bar can be easily obtained as the value of the third order determinant with elements row wise. First row I bar, j bar, k bar. Second row dou by dou x, dou by dou y, dou by dou z. Third row f1, f2, f3. In expanded form, we can write it as I bar into dou by dou y of f3 minus dou by dou z of f2. Then minus j bar into dou by dou x of f3 minus dou by dou x of f1 plus k bar into dou by dou x of f2 minus dou by dou y of f1. Here we should not apply the conventional properties applicable for determinants. Here we have to treat the elements of the second row as differential operators only. Dou by dou x cannot multiply a quantity like f1 or f2 or f3. It has to be operated on the operators of the third line only. This is to be kept in mind before we obtain an expression for curl of f bar. Then let us go for significance of the divergence, the function curl. The curl of a velocity vector gives the measure of angular velocity. Suppose v bar is the velocity vector, then curl of it is going to give the angular velocity. Here we want to find out divergence of f bar and curl of f bar for a given vector function. Of course, evaluated at a point 1, 2, 3. The vector function is f bar is equal to x square yz I bar plus xy square z j bar plus xyz square k bar. Now, how to find out the divergence? Divergence means dou by dou x of the first component plus dou by dou y of the second component plus dou by dou z of the third component. So it is dou by dou x of x square yz plus dou by dou y of xy square z plus dou by dou z of xyz square. We can easily find out that it is equal to 6xyz. So if we want divergence of f bar at the point 1, 2, 3, we have to replace x by 1, y by 2, z by 3, or we have to substitute x 1 for x, 2 for y, 3 for z, or the value becomes 36. Then we go for curl f bar. Curl f bar is defined by the determinant or can be determined by evaluating the determinant with elements row wise I bar, j bar, k bar. Second row, the partial differential operators dou by dou x, dou by dou y, dou by dou z. Third line, x square yz, xy square z, xyz square. We know how to evaluate this determinant, remembering that dou by dou y is to be operated on, or dou by dou x or dou by dou z is to be operated on functions of the third line or the components of the third line. So I bar into dou by dou y of xyz square minus dou by dou z of xy square z minus j bar into dou by dou x of xyz square minus dou by dou z of x square yz plus k bar into dou by dou x of xy square z minus dou by dou y of x square yz. The values are seen here. I bar into xz square minus xy square minus j bar into yz square minus x square y plus k bar into y square z minus x square z. We can as well find out what is curl f bar at the point 1, 2, 3. We can easily see it as 5i bar minus 16j bar plus 9k bar. Let's now discuss another problem. A vector is given containing an arbitrary quantity a. We want to find out the value of a for which the vector has zero divergence. That means the divergence of the vector is to be 0. We have to find out a such that divergence of f bar is equal to 0, where f bar is ax square y plus yz into I bar plus xy square minus xz square into j bar plus 2xyz minus 2x square y square into k bar. We know how to find out the divergence. Dou by dou x of the first component plus dou by dou y of the second component plus dou by dou z of the third component. That means dou by dou x of ax square y plus yz plus dou by dou y of xy square minus xz square plus dou by dou z of 2xyz minus 2x square y square. This should be equal to 0. So we can as well find out the partial derivatives and observe that 2axy plus 0 plus 2xy minus 0 plus 2xy minus 0 is equal to 0, or 2axy plus 4xy is equal to 0, or we can get the value of a as minus